Shit. Bro, my nigga, don't start. Oh yeah, keep fucking me. Keep fucking me. God, you fat ass gorilla. Oh, you fat fucking gorilla. Oh, yes. Don't stop, don't stop. I love the tension. You're so hard, hairy cock against my asshole. Rubs it against me. I think I have herpes now. Oh, I'm sorry. I'll tell you a secret.
I'm listening. You can tell me anything. I won't tell this to anyone.
Alright, don't tell nobody, but when I'm alone, I like to put my middle finger on my ass and put it...
I'll always keep what you said between us. That's really hot.
You think it's hot?
Yes, it's sexy.
Yo, you really? Katie? Bro, why you stopping, nigga? Keep going. My fucking daughter. No, I don't want to. No.
I'm 16.
No, bro.
Put your hands.
Listen. No, bro.
Yeah, we got him.
We all weird as fuck, bro.
We did get your ass.
Put your ass behind your back. Bro, this bitch set me the fuck up, bro. You set me up.
Nah, that's what you fucked up.
You set me up, bitch.
It wasn't me.
You fucking set me up, bro, my mama.
You fucking was 16 years old. Listen to me. Listen, you.
Come on, I like to date 16-year-old girls. Oh my God, I'm over with. Oh my God, it's over. I like 15-year-old girls.
Bottle of projector of your fucking shit crack.
Ooh.
You fucking.
What the fuck? Whoa! 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 You like 16-year-old? I like 16-year-old girls too. I love minor girls. EDP!